Are you looking to scale up your business using Google Ads, but not sure how much you should be spending or exactly how you're going to hit your revenue goals this year? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a highly profitable service and how to set a yearly revenue target for that service. And I'm also going to give you a free tool that will show you how much you will need to spend on ads to hit that target. This is a strategy you use to scale massively profitable Google ad campaigns for local service businesses. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and for over a decade we've been helping local businesses get more leads, more customers, and ultimately make more money. Our videos reveal tips for local businesses to boost their online presence and also help agencies and freelancers streamline their operations and get some amazing results for their clients. So if you find our content useful, remember to like it and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and put in this prompt. Give me 20 expensive jobs that a plumber does. You can customize this for your specific service, whether it's roofing, electrical services, or anything else. Now go through all the suggestions ChatGPT has generated for us and pick a service that you offer, such as bathroom installation. To check the demand for the service, we use a tool called SEMrush. Head over to the keyword overview section and type in your service. For instance, bathroom installers. Now you can see how many people are searching for this service every month. You can also check the search volume for the different variations of your service keyword. For instance, bathroom installers near me get a lot of searches per month. This high search volume indicates a strong demand for the service, making it a great target for local service ads or Google ads. So if you type in bathroom fitters near me, you'll see businesses showing up for these keywords in both local service ads as well as regular ads. So now we know for sure that there is demand for this service in our area. Next, we'll use Google's free keyword planner tool to figure out the cost of a lead for running Google ads. So we'll put in our service bathroom fitter over here and hit enter. Now we'll change the location from the whole of the UK to the city we want to run the ads in. So for example, let's select Essex. Now this tool will give us the cost per click for all of the keywords we want to target. As you can see, the maximum CPC on our ads will be £5. A good ad campaign typically converts at around 10 to 30%. So let's average it at 15%. To get one lead, you might need about 10 clicks, costing roughly £50 per lead. Now that we have our cost per lead, we need to calculate our monthly ad spend to reach our revenue goal. For that, we've created a spreadsheet tool to help figure this out. I'll put the link to this in the video description. For this example, let's say your revenue goal for next year is £500,000. This tool will help calculate how much your marketing budget should be each month to hit that goal. Let's also say your average cost per job is £12,000. Your conversion rate is 20% on call and it costs you £50 for each lead. So you need to spend around £900 a month to hit that £500,000 goal. All you need to do is put in your business details and you can figure out how much you'll need to spend to reach your revenue goal. It's that simple. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that's going to help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.